So we just finished our little weekend getaway at the Cartwright, and in this video I'm going to show you how I packed a family of 5 in one suitcase. Don't mind the look. This is my packing because we're going away look. But we're going away to a nice little resort, really just 2 nights and 3 days. So I'm packing for them. One of the things that I do for when I'm packing with the boys is that I try to color coordinate everybody's outfit, and we look good in pictures, of course. So this is what I got for the boys. So each of them have 2 nice outfits, and then kind of like play clothes, little shorts, and of course for my Jedi Toy Masters we always have to have something Star Wars in the bunch. So each of the boys are gonna have a pair of shorts for the Star Wars t-shirt, as you can see. This is for Dylan. And then an extra long sleeve shirt, you never know if it gets a little cold, and just another extra shirt that can go with any of the pants, so everything can kind of go together if they don't want to wear it, you know, if they particularly don't want to wear something with something else. For shoes, I don't like to pack so many shoes because they take a lot of space. So I just pick 1 pair that'll go casual and nice, and then something sporty that they usually wear on the trip over. And of course, because there's gonna be water, we have water shoes. Also, I get them new pajamas. Every trip that we go to, they have to get a new pair of pajamas. I don't want them to wear like their old raggedy pajamas. They're sleeping, you know, for the first time in the hotel room. So I want them to be comfortable and nice. Now the hardest part, and I think the hardest part for any woman, is what to pack for yourself. And since I always keep the same color scheme for everyone, at least that narrows it down. And also the best thing, you don't have to bring so many shoes because you have all the same kind of color scheme. So I have high heels, 1 pair, and then flats, and that's it. And of course a pair of flip-flops for the water. But as you can see, everything is color coordinated, and they're gonna go in the packing cubes, the same as Maurice, and we're good to go. So that's everything that we're bringing. Now time for me to pack this all up. Now, toiletries. I go a little bit overboard because you just never know what you're gonna need. I bought these, I think at TJ Maxx. I believe you can also purchase them on Amazon. So here I have my skincare routine. Very simple, just wash my face, makeup remover, some moisturizer. And I love, love, love when people are giving away free samples, because you can use those free samples for quick trips and not have to bring your whole face routine with you. Then my makeup. I also keep it super simple. Here my brushes, concealer. I try to get mini versions of everything. And I got this at Ulta Beauty actually this week on sale, and it has all the colors that I kind of like and go with, so everything is in one place. One tip, if you wear false eyelashes, I buy these little things and I put them in there just in case. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear them or not, but just in case I have them. Then my hair products. So I have curly hair, so I can't use the shampoo and the conditioners that most hotels provide. So I have all this stuff here, and my boys also have curly hair, so we try to maintain the best products possible so we don't dry out our hair. All the miscellaneous stuff, like my jewelry, try to keep it simple too, just a couple of pieces. And this is all the miscellaneous stuff. Toothbrushes, everybody gets, we get these at the dentist, so we use that for our toothbrushes. Everybody has their own and with their own toothpaste because the boys fight about this all the time. And then this room spray, which has lavender, and I put a couple of drops of the Young Living essential oil purification to purify the room. And you know, Q-tips, also laundry detergent. You never know if you need to do a quick wash or rinse something in the sink. That deodorant, wrinkle release, because sometimes we just don't want to iron. And now for the more complicated part of the toiletries is all my essential oils that I can't live without, and I never know when you're gonna need any of this stuff. So this is my back pain oil, chill pill, that's to calm down those noisy boys, head relief, fever just in case, health shield, which I put underneath my boys' feet every night and myself to protect us from all those germs, tummy to relieve any tummy aches. And then I always put lemon, because you can put drops of this in your honey or, you know, your tea if you're having a little bit of a cough or a sore throat. A diffuser blend, I bring my own little mini diffuser. I'll put these a couple of drops and it'll make the room smell nice, and also good for the boys to sleep. So all of these are blends of different oils from Young Living that I've found different recipes from Pinterest or from other Young Living friends. So stay tuned, because one of these days I'm gonna put a video showing you how I make all these blends so that you can make them at home too. So when we're going away on like a short trip, we always try to put everything in one large luggage so that we don't have to have so many little things to roll around and carry. We put the shoes on one side and then all the packing cubes on the other side. Now, aren't those packing cubes amazing? And best of all, look at this. You just open them up and put them in the drawer so everything is easy accessible. And now, we're ready to go home. I hope you found this video useful, and please share some of your packing tips in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe, and please check out some of my other videos. See you next time.